Hello friends, now I'm aligning the ropes for the steering. So, looks pretty good. So, the line's okay. The rudder is hard over here with this one. But this is the first squeezer. This is the second squeezer. They are just screwed there, so they have to glued. So the whole thing has to be taken apart again and gluing. And tomorrow the glue will be hard. Hello friends. So now the squeezers are glued into the tube and it will dry tomorrow. Here's the front one. And here's the back one. So here I could do it from the inside too. But here it's only from the outside. Well, I don't think any water will come in anyway, you know, because it's closed. And here, this one is for the second water trap. There's one water trap in the tube, and then just where the tube enters the living room, it's gonna be another water trap. I don't get any water in the bed. So, this is for today. Tomorrow is continue. A good thing is this.